Hello, everyone. So we are going to take a look at the assignments for day 1 for reading. I'm going to kind of play around with this while we're doing it. So the first thing we are taking a look at, where you see it says day 1, it says talking about what a preview is. Look at one or more of the movie previews listed below. So you can take some time when we're done and you can take a look at these little preview videos. As we've all done before, we've all looked at previews and seen previews on the computer or at the movies or whatnot. And so you can take a look and look at what those previews look like. But let's go into, let me erase this circle first. Okay. So I want to go through the questions on this worksheet so that you know how to complete it on your own. So we see we are previewing the book, The Gold Bug. That is the book that we just read for part 1. And if we go to, what is the title of this book? Well, what is the title of this book? It's The Gold Bug. Of course, my handwriting is not so good on the computer, but bear with me. Now we look at question 2. The second part of question 1. It says, list all the words that come to mind when you think of the words in this title. I want you guys to come up with as many words as you can think of that are related to this title. Whether it be a color. Oops. Well, let me type where I want to.
This was the end of it, and then just press space. Enter.
Whether it be a color, it could be bug, it could be a dog, because we read about a dog. But I want you to come up with, I have no set of numbers, but I want you to come up with a number of words that you can think of that go along with this title. Oh, let me erase my stuff again. There we go.
I didn't know that you could do that.
Now we're going to go ahead down to question number 2.
You could just
Read the back cover on the first page of the book. Okay, well, we read it, so you should be able to understand. Think about the characters, the setting, and the plot. If we think about characters, we think about what? Who is in this book? So I need you to tell me who is in this book. Right now we know of 4 characters, 3 human characters, and an animal character. So on this line, I need to have 4 character names. On the setting tells us, where does it take place? Where is this first chapter taking place? If you need to go back to the book, go back to the book and take a look. Tell me where this is taking place. The next is the plot. The plot tells me, what is part A about? Tell me what is the first part of the story that we just read about. Is it about a bug? Is it about finding a bug? Is it about something totally different? But I want you to tell me, what is it about? And then, as you can see, these are all messed up. And I'm not sure why. But it says a map was drawn on the parchment. Which picture shows this? Well, you're just going to circle A, B, or C as to which one shows me there we go. Which one shows me the map drawn on a parchment? The next one shows Legren put the map in his pocket. Which picture shows this? Simple enough. Just circle on which one shows it. I don't know why it got messed up. And the next one says Legren collects bugs. He found a gold bug. Which picture shows the gold bug? Again, just circle it. And then 2, why would you want to read this book? So in your own words, why would you want to read this book? Write me a quick sentence. If you do this in the class notebook on the assignments, you can use the draw tab to circle just like I'm doing here. It'll be a pen and you can circle it and it'll save it so that I can grade it. Where it says writing, you can just type on the Google notebook or the class notebook. You don't have to write and try to write it like I did. All you have to do is type it in there. It'll automatically save. I will have it. If you have any questions, get onto office hours and I can help you. That is all for your reading today. Now once I figure out how to stop my recording. There we go.